Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video I will be looking at one of the free signals available in the 3commas marketplace called CQS Free. So before that, let's do the fun part. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for information purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. Now that the fun part is done, let's look at the signal. So that this next signal that we're going to look at is CQS Free. This uses scalping. It's a way of one of the trading strategies. Mind you that I'm not looking at any of these free bots which are available on the 3commas. I have my reasons. I prefer to go with ones which are listed here in the marketplace, the free ones and the paid ones, because they are more reliable, I'd say. But you can always play around with these as well, yeah. But I wouldn't. Anyways, CQS Free. So let's look at the description. So it talks about a few signals, and it's a trading strategy and everything. And then you can always offer the premium version as well. So here you can see that what are the pairs, and it's mostly supporting Binance. And you can see here as well what are so it's Binance and majorly Binance. But the good thing is it supports. Besides just USDT, CQS also supports BNB pairs, BTC, BUSD, Ethereum, and USDT, which is great. You can run your BTC bots, you can run your BNB bot, BUSD to avoid the fees, Ethereum as well, which is pretty cool. Anyways, going back to the bot. So this is where the bot is. You subscribe to it. I've already subscribed. And then normally you have like a place where you can copy these. So in this scenario again is that you don't have the template available for this, So let's just search over here, CQS. Okay, and let's see if they have over here anything. So this is something that I've used with another signal, which is a bot which named Mirinda, and it's been quite okay, So let me just go to the DCA bots that I already have and search for that and show you through that. Yeah. Okay. So from my experience with using CQS, it's a very safe signal. It doesn't open a lot of deals. It only opens deal when there's a slight pullback. But it's a very, very safe signal. So going back to the bots, bots. So while this is loading, let me tell you another thing. So you always make sure you blacklist all these up and down tokens, all the stable coins, currency tokens, so that you don't have to remove them every time from the bots if you're populating your composite bots with all the pairs. Yeah. There you go. So let's look at the bot. Okay, let's look at the performance as well, and then we can. So this bot is based on CQS. Also, this is something that I came across through the Trading Parrot. So link in the description below. The Trading Parrot I will talk about a lot on bots videos because he's one of the person I really follow and the community I follow because they are just great and I feel like they are really doing crazy and nice stuff, awesome stuff in terms of bot. So you can see this is a pretty good signal, and it has been performing, throughout, even in the throughout this month of September, red month, yeah, and it has been giving. So let's look at the settings, yeah. So first of all, the naming of the bot, Mirinda TTP, the Trading Parrot bot. highly recommended to join the Patreon and the Discord. I normally write over here stuff like 247 is like it's safe and you can do it. The amount used, what are the pairs, the scalping, the strategy, and then additionally if you add in a few things which we did here. So let's edit that and let's look deeper into the settings. So okay, so first things first, we see what exchange we're connecting. So this one we've already seen that it supports all these, so we know that this is all supported. And then if you go down, these are all the pairs. You can add or remove pairs if you want. Max number of deals, again, you can have 5 deals, you can have 3 deals, you don't have to follow exactly, but yeah, 10 deals. Base order 13, safety order twice of that, so it can be 10, 20 as well, or 15, 30 as well, it depends on you. Now this is the deal start condition. So the deal start condition is CQS scalping, plus there are additional safety layers, from RSI. So 4 hours RSI to be less than 70, 1 hour RSI to less than 70 to avoid buying something which is oversold, and trading you 1 day buy. So just an additional add-in here, but if you want, you can just stick to this only. But I would say, yeah, this is great. It has a very humble 1% profit, where the trailing is twice of 10%, that's 20%, which is okay as well. And then you have 3 safety orders, deviation of 3%. Volume is getting doubled every time, so this is 2, and safety order step scale is 1.1. We keep this deal start condition here to avoid shitcoins, so that we have at least 200 BTC volume, so it won't open deals with shitcoins. So it's like a safety layer, And yeah, simultaneously one pair. That means if it opens up a trade for BTC, it will open only 1 trade for BTC, not 2 trades. You can make 2 if you feel like, I don't mind 2, but I normally keep it at 1. So let's look at the breakdown. Over here on the right, you can see that the maximum amount the bot would use is 1924, which reflects over here 1954. So normally I round it up. I don't have to be exact numbers, and this does not include the reserve 30% that you keep just in case to rescue deals. Maximum safety order price deviation is 9.93% only. That's about 10%. So that itself is something which is this is a bot I wouldn't run, or one should not run during a correction or stuff and major correction, but the rest of the time it would do well. And then of course you can always increase the safety orders over here, or you can increase the deviation, and you can see like, it reflects over here, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to stick to the original settings, which was 3.3, I think. 3. Yeah, 3. So anyways, so this was introduction to Mirinda. Mirinda was one of the Trading Parrot's bots, using the CQS scalping, plus with some safety layers with RSI, as well as trading view buy signals. Okay, and there's no stop loss in it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this bot. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. Please do comment if you have any questions. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz112, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.